Howdy, folks, and welcome to week 2 of distance learning. We've got an awesome week planned. We are focusing on the scientific method this week. So, here is what you can expect. We are going to start off by learning about the basics of the scientific method, what it is, what the steps are, and then we're going to go more in depth with each of the steps as we perform our first lab. We will be doing a paper airplane lab, and we will get into the details of what that looks like later today or later on Monday after you watch our initial lecture. But here's a general breakdown of what this lab is going to look like. On Monday, you are going to start writing the lab and do the original setup for it, procedure, purpose, hypothesis, variables, things like that. On Tuesday, we're going to talk about procedure, and that is when you're going to finish writing your lab and you will begin performing your lab. And then on Wednesday, we're going to talk about how to write your conclusion. And at that point, you will finish running your lab, and you'll crunch your numbers and you'll write your conclusion. All of this will be then due on Friday. So we have a big week when it comes to doing our lab. Now, a couple of things to note about this. If you would like to, you are allowed to work with a partner on this lab. You will need to do so digitally. So whatever that looks like is fine. I get into more details about what that means on Monday's lecture. Also, this week, everyone is required to have a one-on-one check-in with me through Google. So I have that link at the top of our Schoology page, check-in with Mr. Roser. Every single one of you needs to do a one-on-one check-in with me. They don't need to last long. I just want an opportunity to meet all of you, and also I want to check in with you about your lab and see how it's going and if you need any help with anything. Another reminder, we have a synchronous meeting on Thursday at 1 p.m. as we do every week on Zoom, so please make sure that you have blocked that off in your calendar and you are prepared for that. All right, folks, have a fabulous week.